Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're taking a journey to one of the most incredible natural wonders in the United States, Yellowstone National Park. Known as America's oldest and most mysterious park, Yellowstone is home to breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and some of the most powerful geothermal features in the world. But what makes Yellowstone so special? When was it established? And what secrets does it hold? Let's find out. Yellowstone National Park was established on March 1st, 1872, making it the first national park in the world. Located primarily in the state of Wyoming, with parts extending into Montana and Idaho, the park covers over 2.2 million acres of pristine wilderness. It was created to protect the area's natural beauty, wildlife, and extraordinary geothermal features for future generations. One of Yellowstone's most famous attractions is the geyser known as Old Faithful. It erupts with boiling water and steam about every 90 minutes, shooting water up to 180 feet into the air. But Old Faithful is just one of the 500 geysers found in Yellowstone. More than half of the world's geysers are located within this park. Another remarkable feature of Yellowstone is the Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the United States and the third largest in the world. Its vibrant colors, ranging from deep blue to bright orange and yellow, are created by heat-loving bacteria that thrive in the spring's mineral-rich waters. The sight of this multicolored wonder is truly unforgettable. But Yellowstone is not just about geysers and hot springs. The park is also home to an incredible variety of wildlife, including grizzly bears, wolves, bison, and elk. Visitors come from all over the world to witness these majestic animals in their natural habitat. Beneath the beauty of Yellowstone lies one of the largest supervolcanoes on the planet. The Yellowstone caldera is a vast volcanic system that has erupted with unimaginable force in the past. Although scientists believe another eruption is unlikely to happen anytime soon, the geothermal activity at Yellowstone serves as a constant reminder of the powerful forces beneath the Earth's surface. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Yellowstone is considered America's oldest and most mysterious park, and why it continues to captivate visitors with its natural beauty and hidden wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.